Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the new domain is either registered with Bluehost or available to add. This avoids delays. Next, unlock your current domain at the old registrar and obtain the EPP or authorization code. This is required to move ownership. Also, disable privacy protection and verify the administrative whois email. You will receive transfer authentication there. Once these prerequisites are complete, log into your Bluehost account and open the Domains section to start the transfer or change process immediately. You now initiate the transfer or domain change in the Bluehost Domains dashboard and follow the on-screen form. Enter the EPP code exactly, confirm administrative contact details, and approve the transfer from the whois email when prompted. While that is processing, make sure to update DNS settings. Set name servers to Bluehost, adjust records to your hosting IP, and replicate any custom MX or TXT records. Doing DNS updates early prevents downtime and keeps email and services running smoothly during propagation. You finish by monitoring the transfer status in the domains area. Transfers can take up to 7 days, but email approvals often speed them up. Once complete, verify the website loads on the new domain, confirm email delivery, and reissue or install SSL if needed. Clear local caches and use propagation checks to ensure DNS has propagated globally. If something fails, double-check the EPP code, whois contact accuracy, and name servers. Then contact Bluehost support with screenshots and timestamps for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.